Colgate Renewal Gum Protection Whitening Toothpaste Gel, Mint Gel Toothpaste for Gingivitis and Teeth Whitening Restoration, Sugar-Free, Enamel Safe, Gluten. 2 3-ounces tubes of Colgate Renewal Gum Protection Whitening Toothpaste Gel, Mint Gel Toothpaste for Gingivitis and Teeth Whitening Restoration. Target and repair early gum issues and help reverse early gum damage or gingivitis with this Gum Protection Whitening Toothpaste Gel. Double toothpaste pack of Colgate Gum Renewal helps revitalize gums by reversing early damage. Whitening Restoration is a teeth whitening toothpaste that gently whitens teeth. Enjoy fresher breath and a cleaner mouth with this minty toothpaste gel with 3x cleansing action that removes stains, plaque and bacteria with brushing. Top reviews from the United States. Best flavor. We think this Colgate is the best tasting toothpaste for the enamel restoring. We've tried like 4 other brands. It feels good after brushing too.